Hello, beautiful people. Today, you and I will be speaking about the class access modifiers. There are 4 of them, so let's get started. The types are default, private, protected, and public. And let's see what they can do. So let's do it. Let's do it. 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 Okay. So here I will create another package. Package. This will be package 1. And I'll create a package 2. Package 2 in package 1. We'll create a class. This class will be public class. Public class. Okay. Here we will have some properties and number. Okay, cool. And then let's have another thing. This will be protected class. String would be better. String line protected. This will be string name public. Another class is default. Default class, and we are missing private. Okay, I'll copy this. Where is this missing? And here it is. This is private. 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 Alright. So now the difference between those are that the most protective should be the private, I believe, and the private scope of access is in the class, but not in the package, and not in the subclass, in the same package, not in the subclass in a different package, and not outside of the class. Huh. That's interesting. So I'll try the first thing, and that would be create a class in here, and this will be test class. Yeah. I'll create a public static void main, and we will try to create instances of them. So let's get into it. Public should be able, so new public class works. That works. So okay, what about the okay? So it's public, then it's default, I think. A little bit less protective, or no, it's protected. Protected class. So cool. Okay. So that works. Now I'm here in the package 2 and I can create a public class which is in different package, and I can create protected class. So let's see if we can create a default. Oh, there might be a problem. I'm not sure if I did not. All of them are public. Oh my god. Okay. So this is public, this is cool. Now I can try to delete this. We'll see. This will be private. Private not allowed in here. Okay. So this will be public. And I will create here a private class. Class real. And well, I'll borrow this. Oh, what are you doing? Private for real. And why? Private not allowed in here. I cannot do that. I cannot. What about if I... Oh, I can put it in. I can put it in. Okay, so now it's inside of it, and then it's private class, and it's okay. Alright. Alright. So, what next? We'll do... oh, here's the test class. I'll shift it. And here's protected. That probably will not pass. I will try anyway. Doesn't like it. Does not like it. Okay, so I will do the trick I did before. Protected class for the class for real. Here I will pass this. Oh, come on. How do I like this? Okay. Real. Okay. Now I did something. So here it should be. Maybe here I should create a subclass as well. This is, well, default. I should be consistent. So this will be class default class for class for real this time. Yeah. Why does do the next line? I don't know. For real. All right. So we get that. Then here we will do public. thing. Okay, I'll copy this and I will paste. And I'll change the name. For real. For real. This time. Okay. Okay, does it look beautiful? Does it look beautiful? Does it look beautiful? Okay, so this didn't broke, but how the hell can I access? Oh, I know. I want to create the thing inside of it, right? So I want new public class for real. I'll create an instance. Why are you is not an enclosing class? Okay. Oopsies. Default class, and I don't see it in here. Class for real. All right. So this doesn't work, and the others I believe will not as well. So if I try the private, no, the private's the most. So here it should be protected before default. So protected class. Protected class for real. Nope. Okay, this doesn't work. And then there will be new private class for real. Doesn't do nothing. Nothing happens in here. Oh, that's interesting. That is really interesting. So, can I do... Okay, maybe I can try to... So, public, we got a public. Then we have a protected. So let's change this to protected. And it's not allowed in here, this thing. Okay. So how does this work? Because I thought that I knew, and I know shit. Let's find it. Tutorials point. I want Java. And I want Java tutorial. And inheritance, overriding polymorphism, abstraction, access, interface, packages, data structures, collections, networking. Okay, I don't see it in here. Access modifiers, find it somewhere. Over the rainbow. Okay. So here is what is going on. Found it on Geeks for Geeks site. Access modifiers. As the name suggests, access modifiers in Java helps to restrict the scope of class, constructor, variable, method, or data member. There are 4 types of access modifiers available in Java. Oh, that one we got right. Default, private, protected, public. Why don't they? How come how they arrange them? You know, I would arrange them from the most restrictive to the least, or the other way around. I don't know why it's like zigzag. It should be private, default, protected, and public. Let's see. Okay, I'll let you see. See? Oh, good. In here, that's the thing. So the default, when no access modifiers is specified for a class, method, or data member, it is set to be having the default access modifier by default. The data members, class or method which are not declared using any access modifiers, it is having default access modifier, are accessible only within the same package. Okay, no access modifier within the same package. Okay, let's try that right away. So I'll go to default. Default, I'll delete you. Bye. I format beautiful. Okay, so now if I will have here class test class in package 1, sure, public static void main, bam, and now I will try to create an instance of it. So let's do a new default class, and it freaking works. Let's try that in the package 2, and I will rename it because I'm the nice guy. Oh, this one has a small. Oh no, I did a poo poo. Do a big T. Thank you. Test class in package 1. This could be just test class 1 or something. Doesn't matter. I will rename this to test class in package 2. Well done. Okay, so let's get real, and I will create new default pack, and it doesn't, IntelliJ doesn't help me, so I will cheat and take this and put it in here, and it doesn't do anything, you know, it says it is not public. Wah, 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 wah. Okay, cool. So you know how the default works. What's next? In this example, we will create 2 packages, and the classes in the packages will be having the default access modifiers, and we will try access a class from one package from a class of second one. And we will try to access a class for one package from a class of second one. Yeah, sure. Got it. That's what I did, right? So they do do this. They do, yeah. They do. They create a package, P1. That's much nicer word. I should use that. Never mind. There's a geek. Okay, and it's the default. Yeah, right. And it has some methods. Even some method. Cool. And there is a Java program to illustrate error while using class from different package with default modifier. Okay, package P2. I'm importing everything from P1. Maybe I should try that as well. And I will do in here, I will do import package 1 dot star. Where's my star? Here we go. And this doesn't work, so I'll steal this. Batam! Oh, 2 dots. Okay. Now this one works. And you go bye bye. Okay, cool. So I imported everything. And it doesn't change a thing. Doesn't change it. What is this? It's not an enclosing. Oh, yeah. That was the previous example. So this one doesn't work, but here it does work. What does it say in here? Okay, output compile time error. Good. So that is the default. So let's have a look at the other one. Did I saw here somewhere a Chinese character? What is this? What currency is that? Looks like part of R. Strike through. It's like euro with, I don't know. I don't care. Let's continue. Private. The private access modifiers is specified using the keyword private. The methods or data members declared as private. Okay. Methods or data members. Here we were talking about classes. And suddenly, here we are talking about the methods and data members. Okay, let's continue anyway. Methods or data members declared as private are accessible only within the class in which they are declared. Any other class of same package will not be able to access these members. Sure, top-level classes or interface cannot be declared as private because private means only visible within the enclosing class. Okay, so the private is keyword used only inside of class, right? Top-level classes or interface cannot be declared as private. Private means only visible within the enclosing class, so it has to have a freaking enclosing class, right? Okay. Protected means, oh, what the hell? We are talking about private. Why do you talk here about protected? That's not nice. You are mixing two things. Here is protected. Wait a little bit. Protected means only visible within the enclosing class and any subclasses. Oh, wow. That's cool. So, this is a private. And this is a protected. Oh, the private is really restrictive. That's cool. That's cool. We can handle it. I have to go to work as well, so. Yeah, that's good. Now it's my time for me. And these modifiers in terms of application to classes. What? In terms of application to classes, they apply only to nested classes and not on top level class. Oh. Okay, so here we have private and protected. Can be used only inside of some class. That's our secret. In this example, we will create two classes A and B within the same package B1. We will declare a method in a class A as private and try to access this method from class B and see the result. Okay, so I will not looky look. Two classes. I will create two classes A and B within the same package and will declare a method in a class as a private. Okay, cool, I can do that. And I kinda messed the structure, but that is okay. We will rename this to now I will create package, and this will be what the hell? What was the first? That was the default, right? Yeah. Okay. Was it default? Yes. So this will be a default example. Bam. You are genius. Okay, and I will move it to, or I can create another one, right? Package B1, sure. Not here. Package B2. And here we will create a class, and that class name will be about class. Okay, and here we create this, and here will be wiht, say something, no input parameters, and there will be hello world, hello T world. T world is much nicer. I love it. Okay, so I have default class with default thingy in here, default thingy which I meant method. Method to say something is never used. Oh well. And publish the void main, which is a method. It doesn't have end closing thingy, so publish the void main. Publish the void. Public static void main. Okay. And we'll see. So say something. We'll need to create an instance of that class, right? So we'll do new. Can I just do default class? I can. Oh my god. What about this? No. Okay, so I do new default class. Oh, what did I did? I did not want to this thing I wanted. So we'll create default class. And I will try call the say something. Okay, cool. And that should run. That should run beautifully. Beautifully. I'm recording for 30 minutes. That's cool. Compilation error. Oh, okay. And because this doesn't work. Shh, hush. I won't play this. And I have Hello T World. Isn't it beautiful? I say it's beautiful. And why is it inside of the run? Never mind, I will keep it in here. So I've got that. Now we will try to do the same thing in another class. So this will be class, another class, and we will do the thing we did in here. Copy, pasty. Yes, please. It doesn't like it. It doesn't like it at all. Nah. Is, is that all of the example we were talking about in here? Having default access modifier by default, the data members class which are not declared using any access modifiers, having access modifier only within the same package. Okay, so let's see. We don't see even the default class in here in the another package. So we know that. Cool. We'll do star in here. And why is this like so long? Is it because of my naming thingy? We'll see. Okay, I got that. Now, what is... But, sorry. So we have the default example. Now we want the another one. And the another one was private. Yeah, it was private. So we will do in here package, which will be called private example. Here we go. Here will be package p1 and package p2. Okay, good. Now what? Now we will create. Can I copy this and paste it in here? Oh, I can. I love you, IntelliJ idea. I love you. Close all. So here's private class. Here will be private another class in here, and let's say private private method. Also, it will be return type. It will be void. Say something, please, insert hello world. Cool. And let's try. So do a static void main. Bam. And so first we need to create an instance. So new private class. Yes, please. Private class. I suppose I can do something like this. Say something real for real. Hello, world. Why is it all yellow? It's never used, never used, never used. Oh, shut up. Not shut up. I know. Thank you for saying so. So I have a private class. Let's do private class say something. Private class say something. Cool. What do you mean? Okay, it takes a while. It takes a while before my awesome IDE realizes stuff. Okay, so that's it. What we will do next? The next thing. Oh, I want to see if I can. What about private class dot private class for real? Can I do private class for real like that? Oh shit, I can. Cannot be referenced from static content. So, let private. Can I do this now? No. I cannot do this. I cannot. Why cannot be a reference from a static content? Okay. So this is how you want to play, huh? So holy shit. New. Like this? It works like this? Holy fuck! It works. Okay, so private class for real. Say something for real. I can try it. Try it, right? You can do like dot new and space. That is a new form. Oh, what is this? Under the class. Yeah, it didn't work in here. I know. I'm sorry. Get over it. Let it go. Let it go. Virtual machine, let it go. You'll feel better. We'll see. Okay, so hello to you world, and for real, hello to you world. So that's cool. That is really cool. So we have a private example. Now, if I would be to try to access it from another package, I think I would be not successful. Let's see. So this will be the test class. Bam. And here we do public static void main. Bam. And we will try. We want this. We want this. Bam. And okay, so here it cannot be like private, right? So this will be. It is inside of it. All right. But we just tested that, right? I was able to create a private class or class with this name. And if I want to access its method, I'm just not able to. And we were doing another thing in here, and that was creating this. So I can try to do that in here, and I cannot do that neither because this class is freaking private. Boom, 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 boom. Oh crap! Go back! Go back! Go back! Good. I need something to drink. If I'm doing that for 40 minutes. I'm awesome. Okay, so maybe I was not so slow yesterday. After all, I thought it was, but dang it. Okay. So we have a private thingy. What about the next one? And the next one is, you know it, protected. The protected access modifier. Okay, just have a look before going to the next one in here. So class A, private void display, and there is a class B, and he tries to access it, like create it, okay, good, and then to access it, and this one is a no-no. So that's what we have looked on. So let's see the protected. Protected. The protected access modifier is specified using the keyword protected. The methods or data members declared as protected are accessible within the same package. Accessible within the same package, okay. Or subclasses in different package. Or subclasses in different package. That's interesting. In this example, we will create two packages, P1 and P2. Class A and P1 is made public to access it in P2. The method display in class A is protected and class B is inherited from class A, and this protected method is then accessed by creating an object of class B. Haha. Alright, so we'll try that. Two packages, public access in 2. The method display in class E is protected and class B is inherited from class A, and this protected method is accessed by creating an object of class B. Okay, let's do it. So here will be the protected example. Okay, collapse. Okay, here package protected some protector of the realm. Is that protected? Oh, that is protected. Protected example. Package. Oh fuck. I didn't want that. Go back. Yeah. Following files affected by this action have been already changed. Okay, so we will do delete. Okay. I don't need you all. Bye. Thank you for your services. We might see each other next time. And we'll create the packages. So package, bam, and P1. It's our favorite name. Package P2, another really popular name. And here we create a class. So let's do it. Class, and here this will be protected class. Right. And this will be, can I? Oh yeah, so here we'll create a method that it will be protected. Right, say, so, say something, that's cool. And for the sake of hello T world, cool. And I think we are done in here. So I will create in here thing, and this will be class. Let's call it test class. Test class. Here right away I will create a main method, probably static void main. Bam! And I will try. Oh, not so fast. This thingy will extend protected class in protected example. And what we will do is create an instance of it. So we will do new test class. Is this one? Probably a test class, and we will extract it to a variable. Kaboom! Test class. Now we will try to access its method. Test class dot say something, and we will run it. Come on, run. Here is an error from previous example. I forgot to comment it again. Sorry. Bye. I don't want a private example, and let's turn to our protected example. Bam, bam. Hello, the world. That's so cool. So I'll from protected example. Hello, the world. From now it doesn't make sense. We have to correct it. All right. And what is the shortcut for this one? Shift F10. I will try that. And that was Shift F9. Oh god. Oh god. Oh, well, doesn't matter. It worked well on it anyway. So, Shift F10. Run test. Hello world from protected example. That's just wonderful. So, we've got that. Does it work in the private? In the private, it should not work, right? So if I go here to the test class and I close all the others, close others. Bye. I'll try to extend, and the other thing was private class. Private class in private example, yeah, and we will try to do the same thing, right? So we have here the instance, and let's try to private class dot and nothing, nothing. Okay, I'm recording for 50. Oh, what the hell? I'm having fun. Let's continue. Uh, all right. So we tried private, we tried protected, we tried default. What is the last contender? Um, I can't remember. Default, oh, default, private, protected, and there is a public. Okay, so let's do that. Uh, public. eh, Oh fuck. Package, and the package name will be public example. Our public example will have two packages. The P1, oh yes, you heard it, and package P2. Let's see what our wise manual says. I can check with the protected, right? So here's the example they did. They have a class A, then they have class B, which stands A. Oh, so smart! Like this is a class A with only A, so much less words. Teach me, master. And so class B is a subclass of A, and then I can display geeks for geeks. Okay, cool. Now we have a public. The public access modifier is specified using the keyword public. The public access modifier has the widest scope among all other access modifiers. The widest. Classes, methods, or data members which are declared as public are accessible from everywhere in the program. There is no restriction on the scope of public data members. Oh, that's so nice. So we'll try. I'll try. And here's the example. They don't even describe what they will be doing. They just do it. They just do it. Is this a Nike commercial? Okay, so public core display class B. And in class B I can create instance of class A. It's that simple. Is it? So let's do that and then take a shower, shall we? So here we have a public example. We will create a class. The class will be A because I learned something that I don't have to type so much. Here we will have a public void site. So yes, say something. Here will be I don't know. Hello, mate. Mate. I'm sorry. I hope this is not offensive. And here we create another class, and the class will be B. Okay, public static void main, bam. And here we will call it new A. Yes, please. We'll extract it. It's not a constant. Go back. Variable. Variable. Hey, yeah, hey, it's good, right? A dot. Say something. Kaboom. I said kaboom. It works. Hello, man. Mate. Mud mate. Mate. Mud mate. And I will try to do um, private class, and this will be AA, and you probably know what's coming. Extends, A. Yeah, this one. Why unexpected token? Why is it that unexpected? What if I do this? Now it's okay. What if I do this? Now it's okay. And it cannot extend things? Wow. Huh. Who knew? I did not. Okay, so we create a class. And yes, extends a and this thing. Public example, yeah, sure. And here we will do another thing, and that is extending the A. We did that. So publish dot void main, bam, and we will create an instance. New AA. Extract to root variable, and I've got AA. And we will try the AA dot say something and play it. Yeah, I can't. Oh, wonderful. Wonderful. Okay, so what we did. Let's go back to the lesson. It's like, okay, important points. If one of the programmers use your class, try to use the most restrictive access level that makes sense for a particular member. Use private unless you have a good reason not to. Private. Avoid public fields except for constants. Constants have to be public. Okay. We'll look in that. This article calls you blah blah blah. Okay. So, what I would like to try is for each of the. What is the same class shit? There are 4 things. I don't think there's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this is from the view of accessing. So in the same class, I can access default, private, protected, and public. Okay. Then, so what I would like to try for each is to access it in the same class, then in a same package, subclass, same package, non-subclass, different package subclass, and different package non-subclass. Yeah, so those are the 4 things which I think I should go through in the next iteration. And to illustrate it, I think it would be good to go from the most allowing, the most revealing, and then show how we are losing the accessibility while going from here that way, which this one I will put in front of the private. So it will be public, protected, default, and private. Yeah. That's it. Don't forget, done is better than perfect. Bye.